Go ahead and make some fresh whipping cream. So I've got some delicious cream here, heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna give this a good shake. Open that up. I'm gonna put a cup of cold. This just came right out of the refrigerator, so you want it nice and cold. And to that, I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla bean paste, a little bit of sugar, and this product called Whip It. This will help stabilize the whipped cream and make it so that it doesn't go runny. And then I'm just gonna whip this. All right, so we've got our whipping cream here. Scrape that down. Looks nice. Whipping cream. Delicious.